In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video banner on Shopify with Autoplay. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a custom video playing automatically at the top of your store, which is a great way to grab attention and showcase a product, a promotion, or your brand story. Let's start from your Shopify admin dashboard. First, go to Online Store, then select Themes and click on Edit Theme. This will open the theme editor, where you can visually customize the sections of your store. Make sure you're on the correct template, usually your homepage, so you can place the video exactly where you want it to appear. On the left-hand panel of the editor, you'll see the list of existing sections. Scroll to find the option to add a new section and click Add Section. From the list of available sections, look for Custom Liquid and select it. This section lets you insert custom code into your theme without editing the theme files directly. Once you've added it, drag and drop the custom liquid section into the position where you'd like your video banner to appear, for example near the top of the page. Now, click on the newly added custom liquid section to open its settings. In the code area, you'll paste the video code that includes the video tag with autoplay enabled. If you have a sample code from this tutorial or your developer, this is where it goes. You can pause the tutorial at this point if you need more time to copy and paste the code carefully. Next, open a new tab and go back to your Shopify admin. This time, navigate to Content, then Files. This is where Shopify stores all your uploaded media. If you haven't uploaded your video yet, do that now. An MP4 file is recommended because it tends to be compatible across most browsers and devices. Once the video is uploaded, copy the file link that Shopify generates for you. Return to your online store editor and back into the custom liquid section. Look at the code you pasted earlier and find the part that specifies the video source, usually after source or SRC. Paste the video link you just copied inside the quotation marks there, replacing any placeholder link that might be in the code. Now take a look at the preview on the right side of the screen. You should see your video banner appear, and it should start playing automatically. If everything looks good, click Save in the top right corner. Your autoplay video banner is now live on your Shopify store.